Have you done a show like this before?
Not here. Like, this is the first time in Yemen.
But you've done these sorts of shows before?
Yeah, like back in my country, and my students. So it's really fun, and there's a lot of good response from the people that visited our exhibition, like the gallery that we have. So it's really nice to see how people get excited when they try our stuff.
Did they learn something that you didn't expect them to?
Yeah, mostly what we expected is there. Like they pay attention to the tidbits, they read it, and then some of them really make them understand things that they weren't aware of before. And I think we chose the right tidbits also.
Right.
Like,
Yeah.
It was a process itself to go through it and pick up the right one. And
That's
the
right.
information straightforward.
I think it was a success.
Yeah, it was success. Sad to see it go down.
Yeah.
Another week.
Another week would be cool.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing about it?
The Carillon.
Oh yeah, the Carolina at the end was pretty cool. I'm glad we ended up being able to do some animation with the maps. And more people than I expected have been commenting on the left side.
Yeah.
So that was a close one. With the tidbits.
Yeah. Yeah, but
I got
those
more
were a
comments
hit.
on that than I expected.
Yeah, me too. Seemed to be a highlight.